Hi, and welcome to the FixHER Up. My name is Tess, and I am your host and creator of this channel platform, whatever we're going to call it. I'm going to explain a little bit maybe about what this channel is and why you should watch it or listen to me, but let's get into it. So I thought that if I was going to decide to build an account that focuses on the automotive world, I should use this first episode as an introduction to who I am and why what I say matters. And first thing you will learn about me, talk my hands lots. I actually bought my first car when I was 18 and I decided I wanted to know how to drive stick. So I went out and bought a manual car. I knew absolutely nothing about cars at this point, including how to drive a manual, but I always wanted to learn. I had opportunities over the years to learn about cars and work on them. So I took those opportunities and I learned a lot during those times, especially some things of what not to do. My first car was a 2005 Mazda 3, which I named Joan, and she very quickly turned into my learning platform for a lot of this stuff. I still remember the first modification I ever did was painting my grille and my rims black. And that would have been the day that I ever learned how to jack up a car or take off a tire. So it's definitely kind of where this journey started from. Very quickly after that, I decided to buy coilovers because I wanted to lower my car. And then I saw these BMWs that at the time had the cool angel eyes, and I'm like, I want that. So I baked apart my headlights in the oven and did that. I figured it out. Over the years, I got aftermarket wheels and I just started to fall more in love with my car. Then I painted it and she got her first color of green. I don't know, then I decided, you know what, we need to go something bigger. It was time for an engine swap. But I'm not going to go too much more into Joan because that is a whole other video and a story which maybe I will get into someday. Over the years, I've spent a lot of time watching YouTube tutorials and videos. It's something that I still do to this day when there's something I'm trying to figure out on my car. But the one thing I realized is that almost every single video that I watched was created by a man, or there was a man in it. And I kind of thought about it and I went, you know, I think that needs to change. I think we need some more female representation, and I want to bring some power back to the women. This project is my way to help foster and create a community that can be not even just women, but who know cars, who don't know cars, who come from all levels of experience and knowledge. I want to create a safe place where you can learn about your car, your maintenance, and you can ask questions without feeling ridiculed, because that's definitely things that I've experienced before. Now that I'm covered in cat hair, I just want to say thank you to anyone who has watched this video or is going to join me along the way for this adventure. If I can help even one person learn a little bit, then I would say that I've succeeded. So ladies, it's time to fix her up.